If you've gone away on holiday, you've come back to the airport car park and you've forgotten exactly where you've parked your car, but you know the rough location, then you have a nice little feature on this Citroen C3. This is a 2021 model. If you look at your key fob, can you see you have lights in the middle here? Well, if you press that button, it's going to put the lights on the car for 30 seconds, and it allows you, hopefully, to then have more chance of finding your car. So I've pressed it, and if you have a look, it hasn't unlocked the car is still locked, but if you have a look, the lights are on. So can you see the lights are on here? Now, once you find your car, the lights are also on down here as well, and also on the back. Once you've found it, you can just press it and it will turn itself off before the 30 seconds. So I've pressed that now, and can you see the lights are no longer on? If we were to go to the back of the car, it's hard to see because it's the daytime, but if you have a look at this light here, you can see this is currently off. If I press this button, then the light comes on for 30 seconds, but if you found it within that 30 seconds, press it again and the light goes off. So it's a nice easy way to locate your car. Thanks for watching.